logging. In this section we are going to cover cloud operation log viewer, cloud operation log dashboards, cloud operation log based metrics, cloud router, cloud storage. So cloud operation is a stack service that helps in monitoring, logging, debugging, and remove latency from API or Google Cloud Services. We have already seen monitoring service from cloud operation stack in my previous lecture. In this lecture, we will understand logging. So, logging example, if you see in this example, we have various logs in the audit logs in Google Cloud, service logs, various app logs, sys logs, and platform logs. So all those logs we collect from cloud logging API, and then log routers. So some logs we don't need, so we use exclusive filter. Some log filling inclusive filter, exclusive filter can be log search analytics, log based metrics, log error analysis, dashboards from logs, and alertings from those. And inclusive filter, like this can be queries using cloud storage, BigQuery, PubSubs, and after this can be used Splunk, Sumo Logics, and Stacks log management service. Okay, so cloud logging is a centralized log server for the all resources hosted on Google Cloud. All type of logs, including networks, access logs, capture and store in logging service. How do this works? As I said before this example, what is the architecture that support the type of centralized logging mechanism? Let's have a look cloud logging and its components. So this we already go. So you can see this all the components. The architecture is pretty simple and straightforward. All type of log resources are forwarded to the cloud log API. At the backend, the logging API log router determine if the logs should be stored, excluded, and exported based on the filter applied on it. So this is a based on the filter it will go. You can exclude log from the storing the and export the event processing system in same time because of parallel filter. Audit log, network logs are most frequent type of logs which are exported to long-term storage classes cloud buckets. So this is how it works. Now we are going for practical. So as you log in GCP Google Cloud Platform, then we need to go main menu is here. Then you click on log viewer, then cloud operation, and under cloud operation we can go logging. Under logging we can go log viewer, log dashboards, logs best metrics, logs router, and log storage, which we already go. So we will go here log viewer. Under log viewer we have different the log viewer, then have query builder, recent, saved, and supported. In the query builder we have BigQuery datasets, BigQuery DTS, BigQuery project, cloud build, all those things. So log dashboard is useful to have a view for all service. It should the log by severity levels. There are different severity levels of logs. Most common are default, error, info, notice, and debug. You can also download charts of any presentation of any user. So this is log based dashboard. So we are going here log view, log based dashboards, log based metrics, log routers, and log storage. Log based metrics. This window shows any predefined or user defined log metrics. These metrics count number of specific log failing under the certain filter created by logs. For it, you can also create alerts based on these metrics. So now we are going for log router. Log router is used to create log sync to the particular export location. So router means it will route. So as shown in the diagram, you can export logs to the different tool using the cloud router. So this is sync and cloud logging. Choose the log include sync, choose logs filter. So this is where log storage. So a part of log viewer is, you see this part 1 2 3 4 5. So log storage, this window show the location and bucket detail of log storage. The log storage charge is the 0.5 half dollar per GB. Once you exceed 50 GB, project fees free quota. Audit logs are stored in the separate buckets. Have maximum retention is period of 400, like 100 1 year or 400 days. For the rest of logs, retention period is 30 days. So after 30 days your logs will no longer too accessible. You can also create alerts for that, so that once you exceed 50 GB marks, you can apply exclusive not stored irrelevant logs. So some, the limits about logging, you can see size of log entry, size of audit log entry, number of labels logs entry, length of log entry, different things. You can see logging API code limits. So this is, I'm going to Google page and I'm checking. You can, so I will provide this link. Please likes and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.